Hello everybody, this is Chris again with Twisted Prints 3D and Engraving. We just got a new printer in today and we're going to go over and do a short unboxing and kind of show you what we got going on, and stay tuned. So here we have the new, not really new, but the Phrozen Mega 8K. As you can see, it has not been opened yet. Actually made a spot for it right there on the counter next to the Saturn IV Ultra and the Jupiter. And we got a few more over there that we're going through with our wash stations and curing stations. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna get this thing unboxed and see what all we got in there. All right, let's see what we got here. Guys, this thing is massive. It's huge. So I'm going to take this box, set it on the floor, and then try to get it up on the table. I think it's heavy for a resin printer. Let's see what the weight is on this thing. £67. Massive printer. And I'll get all the specs and everything for everybody on this, and we'll put it in there. We had a little bit of box damage. Don't know if it went through to the printer. It does look like it broke some of the foam down on the bottom. Not sure if you guys can see it or not. Let me kind of zoom in there. Right here on the bottom is where the box was damaged. I don't think it hit the printer, but we're going to find out as we pull the styrofoam off. This thing is packed really well. It's fully encased in foam. There was cardboard, real thick cardboard corners on it. Done for you. Yeah, as you can see, this thing it's a very large printer. Not too bad to unbox so far. Let's see. How fun part is you got to get it out of the bottom foam. Once you get your hands in there, it's not too bad. Just kind of toss that off the edge. Maybe. There we go. Got it wrapped up here pretty good with some shrink wrap. See if we can find the end. All right, let's see. We'll open this up. See if we can get that open. Take off some of this plastic. All right. Up under. Don't mind the kids just roaming through the video shot and everything. Do like the way the lid opens, especially in a printer this size. That's probably one of the biggest issues I have with the Elegoo Jupiter SE that I don't like is the lid. All right, we got. You're not supposed to dance in our video. Hey, you can take the phone. All right, so this is a really large vat. Set that down. Build plate. Build plate is huge. Try to get that in there. Just for size comparison. That's my hand. All right, let's see what else we got here. Got the little tool kit, and we'll kind of go through all this here in just a little bit once we get all the foam and everything out of there. Looks like leveling paper. Go ahead and take it then, honey. Yeah. No damage from the shipping. So yeah, that's a pretty simple unboxing. We'll get it all put together, get it up on the shelf, and we'll skip to that and kind of go through everything. All right, let's get this thing put together. We got this nice huge vat. I'll make some adjustments here. This way we can kind of go through what's in the box. Thank you for your order card. Has all the information from Phrozen in there. Chit2Box Pro card, which I already have Chit2Box Pro. Serial number, just some information from them. Put this off to the side here. We don't lose everything. Looks like that's a cable for the EU. I got a USB drive SanDisk, so same one I use in all my other ones. Little funnel, some gloves, power cord for the US. Wood handle scraper. I actually really like these scrapers. They work really well. Little plastic scraper. I don't use them. I use silicone to check my vat and all that. I've got some, not sure what they are. I got to look into it. Looks like, oh, filters, vents, covers for the fans in the back. Got some tools and little hex wrench size chart there. And then we've got the hold down knobs for the vat. Go ahead and get these open and get this vat going. All right, got that vat screwed in there. Get the build plate put on as soon as my son's done screwing around. Yeah, not too bad. Pretty simple, put together, just standard. Throw the vat in, put your build plate on, plug it in, and see what's gonna happen.
Good.
Yes, it's the one you like.
It comes with its own thing.
You know, we could take that, put that in the laser, and put our emblem on it and our logo.
That's too much.
That's too much work.
That's too much.
Here, if you ever go to the Europe,
Oh my,
there you go.
This is like Europe, right?
It is, yeah. You can
Does-
take your
does it-
printer with you.
Does it come with a thing, or does it have its own?
It's got it came with bolt plugs.
Cool.
All right, let's fire this thing up. I haven't put any resin in it yet. We're just kind of going through the motions here. We'll do some test prints and some calibration prints, and we'll shoot those videos and then put that out afterwards. Today's just a short, quick unboxing on this one. We did not, this was not given to us by Phrozen. It's not sponsored by Phrozen. This is a printer that we purchased for a lot of the larger jobs that are starting to come in for the business. So yeah, there's no sponsorship or anything on this, but hey, Phrozen, if you're listening, just figured I'd throw that out there real quick. All right, guys, we will catch you on the next video, which we will be running a few different calibration prints, couple different models of calibration prints also. So we're not just going to do like your cones of calibration or anything like that. We'll do 3 or 4 different ones and get this thing dialed in.